I think I'm going to get some acupuncture. There's a new place in Highland Park I've been hearing great things about. This is the place. Opportunity is great. This is the door. These are the security bars. Acupuncture. Let's go in. Look, there's no one here. He's hiding. Well, I guess I'll just help myself. Just self-serve acupuncture. This is really a nice place, too. Look, they have martial arts. And pews where you can worship Dr. DeWolf. Here we go. Some very sweet gym equipment. There's one acupuncture room. Nice and clean. Let's see if Dr. DeWolf's in. There's a brand new toilet in here. $100. Where did he hide?